How to see a sent friend request in Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. And in today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can see send friend request in Snapchat. Now, without any further ado, let's get into this video. First of all, open up the Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Snapchat account. Now, to see send friend request, first of all tap on your profile icon from the top left corner of this interface. Once you land on this interface, if you keep scrolling down a bit, there on the friends section there is an option as add friends. So tap on that. Here you will find all of the contacts or friends that you can add on your Snapchat. Now suppose add someone from this list, and after you send friend request or tap on add on that account, then to view that, what you can do is simply tap on this three dot icon from the top right corner. Now from this drop down menu, tap on recently added. And under this recently added, you will find an account or friends that you have added recently on Snapchat. Or if you simply go and search for that account or tap on that account name that you have added recently, there you will not find an option as add since you have already added that person in Snapchat. So that's how you can view send friend requests in Snapchat, and hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, feel free to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.